Hello guys. So now, solving the rectangular prism. Question is, the length with the height of a rectangular prism are 6, 4, and 3 meters respectively. Find the volume, the surface area, and the length of the diagonal. Now, this is the given. The length given is 6 meters. 6. And width given is 3 meters, and the height is width is 4 and the height is 3. And now, how find the volume? Let's go find out volume. Given up the length times height times width. Let's put the number in this. Length is 6 meters. 6 times height is 3 times width. Height is 4 and width is 3. And now, calculate. 6 times 4 times 3, it equals to 72. 72 meter cube. Ayan guys, nahanap na natin yung volume, 72 meter cube. And now, let's go find the surface area. Surface area is 2 length with plus length height plus with height. And let's put the number is 2. The length is 6 times width is 3 plus length 6, and the height is times 4 plus width is 3 times height is 4. Height is 4 times 3. Sorry. And now, let's go to calculate that. 6 times 4 is to 24. Put to 24 plus 6 times 4 is 18 plus 4 times 3 is 12 quads. Wait guys. And now, use the calculator. 24 plus 2 open parenthesis 24 plus 18 plus 12. The result is 108, guys. 108 108 meter cube. Volume and this. And now, nakuha na natin yung surface area, which is 108 meters. Now, let's find out the diagonal. Diagonal. D. The diagonal is square root. Put the square root first. The diagonal, guys. So this pattern, use this method. Length squared plus next width squared plus height squared. And now, i-substitute natin siya sa number. Nunin natin siya sa number. Square root. Height, length is 6. 6 squared. Plus, width is 4 squared. Plus, finally, height is 3 squared. Now, it's this. 6 and square root 6 squared plus 2. 6 squared is equals to 36. 36 plus, what is equal to 4? 16 plus square root of 3 is 9. And now, use calculator to get the answer. This is square root 36 plus 16 plus 9 equals to 1 natin, guys. 7.81 meter. Yan, guys, nakuha na natin siya. Isa final is volume 72 meter and the surface area is 108 meters squared and the diagonal is 7.81 meter. Guys, ito na siya ngayon.